Welcome to the channel. In this video I want to show you how to create EC2 instance in AWS using Terraform. So I will be using Terraform module. So I have installed Terraform in one of the EC2 instance. So you can install Terraform in your VirtualBox or in your local machine as well. So how to install Terraform, I have shown that in my previous video. You can go through my previous video, and in another one previous video I have shown how to create VPC using Terraform AWS Module. So here I am going to use Terraform AWS Module for EC2 instance. So I have logged into the instance using mobile storm. I will create a directory name instance. Okay, go to the directory and create two files named main.tf. tf is extension for Terraform, and variable.tf. Now go to the main.tf vi editor, opening the main.tf. Okay, the main.tf script. So starting from provider, we'll start with provider. Okay, provider will be AWS. Okay, then start curly braces, then inside the curly braces start with region. In which region we want to create that EC2 instance. Suppose US East 1. I'm taking US East 1. Then access key, access underscore key equal to, okay, and then secret key. Okay, so where we'll get this access key and secret key? For that we will have to create one user. So in AWS IAM user. Okay, open the IAM management console. Here we will get this user. Go to that user, then add user. Give the name of the username, suppose EC2 user. Okay, select access key, programmatic access, text, permission. So for permission you can use role and custom role and custom policies, but here I am using existing policies. So I am using administrator access for demo purpose only. So in case of in case of the demo I am using the administrator access only. Okay, only to use then tag, then create the user. So he will get this access key and secret key. So this will be shown for only one time. So to save that you have to download that .csv file. Download that file for your future use. Go to that main.tf file and put your secret key here. Okay, and again copy that access key and paste it here. So this is the access key and secret key. Now we have to use module. So which module we are going to use? EC2 underscore instance, and start curly braces, and inside the curly braces start with source. We'll go get this source. We go to terraform.io. Here inside module you will get this Terraform AWS EC2 Instance module. copy this one and paste it here. Then version will be using regex greater than 3.0. Okay, and name of the instance, suppose my instance. Okay, then AMI. So we need AMI, base image, to create the EC2 instance. To get that AMI, we'll have to go to, we can go to AMI and get a public image, or we can go to the dashboard and launch instance. We go to launch instance, we'll get these AMIs, you can see. So I will use a Ubuntu image AMI. So I will use this one. Okay, this one is the AMI ID. With this AMI ID and paste it here. Then what we will record? We'll record key name. So to log into the instance, we need a key and the PAM. So how to get that? We have to go to the EC2 management console. Here we'll get this key pairs. Go to that key pairs. I already have 2 key pairs created. So if you don't have any key pair, you can create one by clicking create a key pair. Okay, I'll be using the same key pair. Okay, and then here. And next is VPC security group IDs. So here we have to give the security group ID. So how we will get that? So security group ID will be under VPC. So which security group will take? The security group that belongs to that VPC, we want to create an EC2 instance. So if you go to the security group, you can see this is the default VPC and this is the security group ID. Copy this security group ID and paste it here. Okay. The next is subnet ID. So how to get that subnet ID? Go to that VPC. Sorry. Go to the VPC management console and then go to subnet. So we have already 6 subnets available. So the same VPC under the same VPC. Okay, get just subnet, subnet. So we can do this there and paste it here. And after that, we will use tags. So I'll be using tags like Terraform and environment. Suppose save. done here. Let's save this. Okay, now we have main.tf and variable.tf inside the instance directory. We will use Terraform init command to initialize. So while we will use this Terraform initialize command, it will install the module, that module we are using. Okay, and it will initialize the backend. Okay, now so we have Terraform format command to format the main.tf. You see the main.tf, the indentation is properly set now. Okay, now Terraform validate. If we use Terraform validate command, it will go and validate the main.tf. So it is saying like module EC2 instance argument name version is not expected here. Okay, typo mistake, let's correct it. Main.tf version. Save it and then run the validate command. So here it is showing have sent since this module was installed and installed version is no longer acceptable. Run Terraform init to install all modules. Okay, so it is asking to initialize the Terraform again. So it will go and install the plugin. So it has installed the plugins for AWS. Now we can validate again. Now we can use for plan. This will show what are the changes it will make. Sorry, again. So these are the resources that will be created. So this will be shown here in this command. So this is not yet created. If we want to create, then we will have to use Terraform apply and use the flag auto approve. So it will not ask any user input, it will directly go and create the resources whatever we have mentioned in the module. So it is, you can see it is creating. If you go to the EC2 Instance dashboard, you can see one more instance is coming up. You see, this is running, it is initializing. So name of the instance, my instance we have given, so it is showing here. So this is how we can create a EC2 instance using Terraform. So another one thing we have, we can do that in vi main.tf, that is the type of the instance. So we have not mentioned the type of an instance here. That is why it is created T3 micro. Okay, it will take some time to be ready. Okay, let's do Terraform destroy. To delete an instance, we'll have to use destroy command. Use destroy command. Will terminate the instance. Let's wait for some. It will take some time. As you can see, there is no running instance. It's just shutting down. So the instance is now getting destroyed. So this is how we can create EC2 instance or maybe destroy the same. To mention type of the instance, we'll go to the main.tf file, and here use this instance type as T2 micro or any other instance type you want to create. So how to get that instance type? Go to the EC2 dashboard and go to the instance types. So all the available type of the instance will be here. So I am using T2 micro. You can see T2 micro. Now save this. Okay. Now change one more thing like this one. Name of the instance. Suppose I want to give a different name. Let this instance. Okay. Then save it. Okay. Now Terraform validate. If you Terraform validate, it will show any error is there. Okay, no error is there. It is showing success. So now we can go and apply, or maybe use plan before apply. Use Terraform plan. So this will show. Okay, so one resource will be added, 0 change and 0 destroy. Okay, now use Terraform apply. This time I am not using any flag like auto approve flag, so I have to give my input. So you can see it is now started creating. If you go to the dashboard, EC2 dashboard, and go to the instance, see there is only one instance running. Refresh it. Okay, you can see the new instance is coming up now. It's showing T2 micro and it is initializing. So this is how we can create and destroy instance. We can mention type of the instance. We can use key pair, which key pair we want to use. Everything we can mention in our Terraform main.tf script. This is the key we have used in our script. Okay, now I will destroy this one. Terraform destroy auto approve. Okay, to hit this, it will go and destroy that instance. Go to here. can see only one instance is running now, so other instance is terminated. This one you can see, this one is shutting down. Okay, delete that instance. Okay, this one is deleted. So this is how we can delete instance, create an instance using Terraform in AWS. That's all for in this video. Do like, subscribe and share.